Hey, Tesla fans! Today we're diving into the secrets of the Tesla Cybertruck factory and an exclusive look at its crash test analysis. Buckle up. Okay, so first up, let's talk about the Gigafactory. Located in Austin, Texas, this billion-dollar facility is where the magic happens. It's designed to be the most efficient automotive factory ever built. Spread over 2,500 acres, it's massive enough to fit 15 city blocks. Yeah, it's that big. Now, what's super cool is how Tesla uses advanced robotics and automation. The entire production line is virtually a symphony of precision and speed. Robots handle the bulk of the heavy lifting, from welding to painting. And get this, they can produce a Cybertruck in under 24 hours. Crazy, right? But what really sets this Gigafactory apart is its commitment to sustainability. Tesla has integrated solar panels and wind turbines to power the facility. That means the Cybertruck isn't just revolutionary on the road, but also in how it's made. It's all part of Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Alright, enough about the factory. Let's get into those crash tests. The Cybertruck had a lot of skeptics with its unconventional design, but it's built like a tank. Literally. The body is made of ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel. In crash tests, this thing is a beast. The exoskeleton provides superior strength and durability, absorbing impact like a champ. And thanks to its low center of gravity, the Cybertruck has outstanding rollover protection. Remember that viral sledgehammer test during the unveiling? Yeah, the same principle applies here. The body can withstand significant impact without deforming. And let's not forget about the armored glass. Tesla has improved it since the unveiling, making it even tougher. It's designed to resist shattering, giving you peace of mind in any situation. But it's not just about brute strength. The Cybertruck is packed with safety features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a reinforced battery pack. All these features work together to keep you safe on the road. So, there you have it. A sneak peek into the Tesla Gigafactory and the unbeatable crash test performance of the Cybertruck. This isn't just a truck, it's a glimpse into the future of automotive design and manufacturing. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more Tesla content. Until next time, drive safe and stay charged.